Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's SRT Aidann and I'm back here for another banger. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how much it costs to fill up my Dodge Charger. Let's start this shit real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. We are on E. I got it all the way down for y'all. That shit is like below E. It's about to run out. So, real quick. So that's my aux cord. Real quick before we get into all that, you can see, hold on, I gotta move it in there. But I get 18.8 miles per gallon, and then it'll say like how many miles I got left right there after I get it filled. So I'm assuming it's gonna be around like $60 or $70 because I get 93. But it might honestly be more than that. I don't know. It's probably gonna be in the 70s somewhere. That's what I'm assuming. But we'll head down there right now, and we'll go check it out and see how much it's gonna be. Let's get into it, y'all. Gas station's right here, but I'm gonna do one pull. That way we're accurate. Because I think it probably still has a little bit more gas in it. Y'all might be thinking I'm crazy, but I'm pretty sure it's still got a little bit in it. It's kind of cold out tonight, y'all. 54 out tonight. If y'all have watched the last two videos, it's been hot, like 80, 70s, 80s. But I guess that is during the daytime. It's just night. It's fucking cold, bro. And I gotta keep my goddamn windows down. This shit sucks. Alright, let's get into this. Let's see how much this shit's gonna fucking cost. I'm just gonna go in there, I'm gonna give gang a bill, and I'll be right back out, and we can start pumping this shit. Alright, y'all, so stupid me forgot the money at the crib, so now I gotta go back. And this bitch is probably gonna be hella low now, so fuck, y'all are really gonna get an accurate reading. An accurate ass reading to fill this bitch up. Alright, y'all, we back at the G station right now. I'm about to go inside and give him the bread, and then I'm gonna start pumping this shit, and we're gonna find out how much it costs to fill this shit up. Let's get into it. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all. $4.29.25. Alright, here we go. Let's see how much this shit takes. I'm gonna fucking sit in the car, and I'll update y'all when it's done, and I'll show you how much it is. I'll see you in a second. Alright, y'all, a quick little update. We at $30, 7 gallons. Let's see how much this shit gets to. Still going. Like I said, my guess is probably like $74, $75 at max. That's where it tops out at. But we'll see in a sec. Alright, y'all, we're getting close. We're getting real close. 72, not even. I don't know, it's gonna be in the 72s is what I'm guessing. But we'll see if I'm right. It's gonna be done any second now. Any second now, this shit should be done. Okay. Let's see. Alright, y'all, so we have a grand total. Alright, this is how much it costs to fill up a Dodge Charger Pursuit 5.7 V8 all the way with 93 premium at $4.25 a gallon. $80.34 for 18 gallons, 18.8 gallons. So now, let's go waste some fucking gas, y'all. Let's go. So now, let's go waste some fucking gas, y'all. Let's do this shit. Full. We filled up. And I told y'all, I'll show you this. So, 354. That's not bad. But it kinda is for fucking $80. $80, that's a little bit crazy. But I'm gonna drive up to the door and I'm gonna get my money back real quick from pump 8. And then we're gonna go waste this fucking gas. Alright, y'all, so we figured out how much it costs to fill up the Dodge Charger Pursuit. Now, how fast can we blow the fucking gas? That's the next question. How fast can we blow the gas in this bitch? Let's figure that out right now. It's so weird being next to people filming. It's so awkward. I swear, y'all, I'm not even playing. Like, look at this guy staring at me, bro. The fuck? I hate that shit. Target. Alright, y'all, here we go. Driving with these windows down sucks, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's like, I know I said it before, but it's so cold out, gang. Like, this shit sucks. I for real am freezing every time I drive this car, and it's a fucking hour-long ride down here from my crib. And fucking, it's ridiculous driving all the way down here with the windows down, bro. It's because I got a fucking carbon monoxide leak, y'all, from cutting the the pipes back too far when I cut my resonators off. Because, like, I didn't have the correct piping to finish it, so I just gotta fucking basically what's the word I'm looking for? I'm having like a brain fart, y'all. I basically just gotta fucking get like bent pipes and shit, and I'm good. They'll run right out the back, and I already got tips for it and everything. If you watch my other video, you would know. You would have seen. Where can I go? I'm not gonna go anywhere. Damn, bro. Alright, bet. I'm going in front of him. That was my fault, y'all. I didn't expect his ass to get over. I love the lights at night. I got a Boston video coming soon, y'all. It's gonna be coming soon. I gotta do it soon. No cap. No cap, I gotta run that shit soon. I wanna go to Boston so bad. In my car. I wanna hear this shit in the tunnels. Bro, I don't even know why I just got over, bro. This is a whole line of slow ass people. All of them are fucking slow. I'm about to whip a U-turn. Fuck this shit. All these people are driving so goddamn slow, gang. Next chance I get to make a U-turn, I'm fucking doing it. I don't care. I'm not getting stuck behind all these people. It's so beautiful out tonight. Not beautiful out tonight, but the world's just beautiful, y'all. Looking at the shit, looking at lights and shit. I love it. I might have a vlog soon too of like climbing buildings in Boston and shit like that. Just climbing buildings in general. I do that shit all the time, so I'm gonna start vlogging it. And if y'all are into that shit, go watch my vlog channel. It's gonna be everything vlog type, like just living my life, climbing shit, abandoned buildings, sometimes even driving, but who knows? If y'all are interested in more like lifestyle if y'all are interested in more lifestyle content like that, then y'all go check out my vlog channel. It should be in my description of my channel, or not the description of my channel. If you scroll down like under my videos in my channel, there'll be like a category that's like my other channels. It's Aidann, just Aidann, and then it's also in the description of this video. You can find it. You can find it in the description of any of my videos. I'm cold, y'all. I might have to make this one short. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all already got the point of the video, but I am gonna give you a loud ass pull. I'm gonna put this shit in manual and I'm just gonna go. Don't miss your target. Yeah, couldn't get that fucking blinker going. I'm definitely looking at YouTube. I can't. Fuck. I'm just gonna go through Rite Aid. Fuck it. $80 in gas is kind of crazy though. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, cause like, I swear I filled this shit up the other day and it was only like 70 something for 93. Now it's 80. Gas prices are just going back up again. Everything's going back up again. No lie. No fucking lie. Here we go. Of course, I'm stuck behind people. Oh no, I'm not. Alright. My knee. Let's take this shit. I love driving, y'all. I'm so happy that I have a YouTube channel for this shit. Like, real spill. I'm so happy that I do this shit because I enjoy it. I enjoy the fuck out of this shit. I love driving like an asshole. No cap. Some people might hate me for it. I said it before in another video, but for all of you that are new, for any car meets, go hit my Instagram. My fucking shit should be like right here on the screen somewhere. Go hit my Instagram up for like car meets around like Boston, fucking New Hampshire, anywhere like that, and I'll probably end up popping out to them because I'm trying to find some shit to do this summer for my channel, and I definitely want to go to a bustin' ass car meet. So if y'all know any car meets around that area and you watch me, drop those bitches in the comments, or not the comments, bro, sorry, my bad, in my DMs, and I'm gonna probably pop out to them like I said. But anyways, I'm about to cut the light on because I'm about to fucking, hopefully I don't get pulled over because I'm kind of being dumb as fuck. I'm going right by the police station. But I'm gonna end the video now, y'all. This was just a quick little video to show y'all how much it cost to fill up my Dodge Charger Pursuit. I hope that y'all enjoyed. If you have the same car or want to get this car, that's how much it costs to fill it up. It does cost a lot and it goes real fucking quick, which fucking sucks, but it's not that bad. You get used to it after a little bit, but I suggest you get this car if you want it, because this shit is mad fun and it's well worth the money, well worth how much you're gonna spend on gas, well worth everything, well worth every fucking penny. But anyways, that's it from me, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace out, gang.